White holes, the up-and-coming theoretical enigma. Whoa! Hi there, my name is Alexandra Ramey and I'm studying Astronomy and Astrophysics at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Now, to understand what a white hole could be, we first need to have a solid understanding of black holes. The concept of the black hole was born from Einstein's theory of general relativity. A black hole is a region of space where the gravity is so strong at a certain point that nothing, including light and electromagnetic waves, can escape. The gravity is so strong in this area of space because the surrounding matter has become so tightly compact over a short amount of time. Black holes are typically created from the death of a star. When a star dies, there are a few different paths into its afterlife. It may rapidly expand, then shrink into a neutron star. It could also rapidly condense and explode and turn into a supernova. In some cases, the star will collapse in on itself, creating a black hole. Let's move on to the theory of a white hole. White holes are essentially the opposite of black holes. This galactic event is currently only theoretical, as their existence is inferred but not proven. In comparison to a black hole, white holes spit out matter and light, therefore, no matter can enter a white hole. Still, there's no working explanation for the birth of one. If we were just to assume that the birth of a white hole is the reverse life of a black hole, that would violate too many physical laws of nature. When an event is only theoretical, many questions are begging to be asked. If we rewind back to our conversation about black holes, the first question is, what happened to the matter once it's trapped inside a black hole? One possible explanation is that the matter could be sucked into a black hole and transported into another region of space. It could then be spit out by a theoretical white hole, exiting out into a completely different region of the universe. Now, one very famous scientist, Stephen Hawking, realized that black holes leak energy through their lifespan, thus allowing the black hole to evaporate in a sense and get weaker as it dies off. Some scientists have since then raised the question, if a black hole evaporates away, where does the internal matter go? If we follow this question down the theoretical pipeline, it leads to another question. Would this lead to the birth of a white hole? Another theory that has recently emerged is that the Big Bang, known as the leading explanation for the beginning of the universe, may have actually been caused by a white hole. There have been studies that show that the behavior of the Big Bang has been eerily similar to that of a white hole. This theory is known as the Big Bounce. Theoretical physicist from Bard College, Hal Haggard, has discovered this idea, stating that the geometry is very similar in the two cases to the extent of being mathematically identical at times. Today, when all is said and done, there are still many questions to ask. There's plenty of people working on the theory, and that's on their way to being proven. To quote one of my favorite scientists, Carl Sagan, somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. Scientists are working towards the magnificent discovery of white holes, and we as scientists are lucky enough to be along for the ride. Thank you.